Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I'm very excited. I am announcing the 18 and under contest that we do every month. So I will be announcing the winner in just a second, but what we do is anyone that's 18 or under can email Jenna, Jenna, at myshirefarm.com, or they can email me at Zach, Z-A-C-K, at myshirefarm.com, and they can enter to win a Wynola Ranch cage and free hatching eggs, and everything is free. Shipping is free and everything to help them on their way, and they just need to email us why they want to start with quail, whether it's they want to be more self-sufficient or learn responsibility or start their own business or whatever the case may be. But Wynola Ranch, us at Myshire Farm teamed up and want to encourage and help the next generation in becoming more self-sufficient and becoming more responsible and having some entrepreneur skills. So I'm very excited about it. The winner for July is Jack Stinson, and I will read the email. So congratulations to Jack. Dear Mr. Green, hi, my name is Jack and I'm a 16-year-old high school student in Arizona. I am part of the agriculture class at my school. I just want to say that I love your videos, and the reason I got into quail was because I found your videos on YouTube, and the way you explained everything made it seem fun and exciting to raise them. I had previously ordered some eggs from you last year, which I hatched and raised along with a few other students, and it was kind of like our test run since none of us had done it before. So we feel confident about raising them again. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19, our school was closed unexpectedly for the remainder of the year, and we had to give away all of our quail because we didn't have anywhere for them to go. During this time off from school, me and a couple other students have been doing countless hours of research and applying for grants to hopefully make our senior year memorable by hopefully starting a business to sell agricultural products, mainly quail eggs. I hope I win this giveaway because our agricultural program gets very little funding from our school, and it's up to the students to raise the money for any projects they want to do. 60 eggs from you guys and a Wynola Ranch cage would be incredible for us to jumpstart our business idea. We plan on setting up a booth at our local farmers market to sell the eggs from the hens, along with maybe some house plants and herbs. We then plan to reinvest any profits back into our business to hopefully grow our quail flock throughout the year. Thank you for considering me in the giveaway. Sincerely, Jack Stinson. So congratulations. I have just emailed you as well, so you have that notification. But again, anyone that's 18 and under, we do this every month. We'll be doing it for the rest of 2020. So feel free to email us with your ideas and why you want to win the contest, and we'll pick a new winner next month. So good luck to all of them. Congratulations to Jack, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.